When you're the biggest thing on the road, the last thing you want to worry about is paperwork. That's why DumpTek partnered with drivers and trucking companies to create an app to fill out your haul sheet for you. Gone are the days of trying to write in less than ideal conditions. With DumpTek, you'll be doing more driving and less writing. Our mobile app works seamlessly with your established routines. Here's a driver on his way to pick up his first load. Watch how easy it is for him to use DumpTek. With the click of a button, he's logged his load time and he's ready to go. The app was created by drivers for drivers and functions better than paper tickets. All the important information you need can now be tracked digitally, including times, material, weight, notes, and even photos. At the end of the day, just sign and send. It's that easy. At the office, all tickets are instantly accessible for review. On top of everything else, DumpTek makes even more sense once you start using the data for your invoicing and payroll. Every ticket and report can be exported into a PDF or Excel format with the click of a button. Then you can start using it in QuickBooks or your preferred accounting software. DumpTek will set you apart from the rest because your haul sheets are ready to send to the customer instantaneously, not 1 or 2 days later. And your customers will be ecstatic to receive a haul sheet they can actually read. Listen to what drivers think of it.
I'm old school, so I've done paperwork all my life. With DumpTek, it didn't take me long at all. It was easy. I like it. It's the thing of the future, I believe.
To start saving time and money, go to DumpTek.com now for your free 30-day trial.